Here's your host, Giuseppe Grammatico, the franchise guide.
But yeah, I wanted to just list his 5 rules, and then we're gonna dive deep into a few of them here. So Warren's 5 rules, we call it Buffett's wisdom for potentially building wealth, include investing for the long term, staying informed, maintaining a competitive advantage, focusing on quality, and managing risk. So those are some of the principles. There's plenty more, but for this episode, for this show, we're going to talk about the 5. So investing for the long term, I find this one very interesting because in order to invest in the long term, you need to have a vision. When you're looking at an investment, whether that be a stock you're looking to invest in the stock market, or even your own franchise or non-franchise business, before getting into that, you need to have a vision. Where do you want to be? What are you looking? Are you looking to own the business for 5 years and flip for a profit? Are you looking to own for the next 20 years, retire, and create a legacy for your family? Having that long-term vision is crucial. It'll help you put everything on track, place everything out so you have annual goals. So if it means starting at one location and adding a location every year, ending with 10 in the course of 10 years, you write that out. That way you have something to work off of. I personally use Google Docs and a Google Sheet so that I can share with my mentors. If you have a coach, you can share with your coach, anyone on your team, your investors and partners, and your spouse, whoever's involved in the process. But having that long-term vision, I think, is crucial. Warren talks about investing, and when he does invest, he doesn't invest in stocks, he invests in companies. And his whole intention is to own a piece of that company because he believes for what that company stands for. He believes the company is undervalued. He could potentially add value and or see value down the road. So this is not something about buying a stock and trading it. He's talking about actually owning a piece of the business, having that mindset and shift, that as opposed to just trading stock and just dealing with numbers on paper or tickers on paper. You're actually owning a piece of the company. So the intention is to own for the long term. So that is number 1.
A long-term vision is crucial, but how do you navigate the ever-changing business landscape to achieve it? Buffett's next rule, staying informed, is key. What does this really mean for a franchise owner in today's world?
Thanks for tuning in. If you want to learn how to make the transition from corporate to owning your franchise, join Giuseppe on the next episode. You can also follow on all social media platforms and achieve financial and time freedom today.